Hey guys, welcome back to Olive Grey Avenue. My name's Ruth and I lost my voice.
And I'm Steve and I have my voice. So you're gonna get a lot of me today. We're gonna be installing the Eufy solar powered security system. We have been looking for some type of security system. We have one of those little doorbells that like shows you who's out there, but we don't have anything around the rest of the house. We've partnered with Eufy, who has provided these security cameras for us to test out, and so far, from what I've looked into, these are pretty cool. So one of the really cool things that like drew me to this, because I'm the gadget person. I love gadgets. One of the cool things about the Eufy system is that it's solar powered.
But you know what my favorite feature is?
No.
It's that you don't have to pay a monthly fee. I am so tired of adding monthly fees to everything. Everything is a subscription now, but Eufy Security is not. We have our own internal storage.
Yeah, so we don't have to pay for someone's cloud service. We don't have to pay for someone to monitor it. We don't have to pay to access our own data. Like some of the other systems where you have it and then it's only live footage that you can see. So someone's breaking into your car and you get to see when the alert comes your way that your car was broken into. This way you can see who's there, make sure that you can call the proper authorities, whatever, like at the right time. If they're still there, you can see what they're driving away, which way they're going. You can kind of catch it real time or even record back because the data is your data. It's not off somewhere in someone else's cloud, which is just someone else's computer. The third thing, which not many people really consider because it is going to be at home, is data storage. So you're like, well, where does all the footage go? It goes right here. Ta-da! This tiny little thing is the home base, and it starts off with about 16 gigs. If you don't want to worry about it, you don't have to. This little thing on the top comes off, and you can just add another hard drive in here.
Sweet.
Yeah, this is the brains of the operation. The whole thing goes right here. So while you can get another camera, another solar base, more cameras, a doorbell, they have a whole suite of like systems that you can put into your house. It all just comes back to this. It has AI, not the bad kind, the good kind. So it learns, hey, you can give it information about like, hey, this is my face, and hey, this is your pretty face. And that way when you're walking up to one of the cameras, it doesn't go, alert, there's a thief here, we're all gonna die. It just goes, oh, hey, mom's home.
That's cool.
I don't have to send an alert or anything like that. I really like that. Look at the camera. Boom! So this is one of the 4K cameras. There's the solar panel right there.
It's just completely integrated.
Yeah, it's just part of it. If you have it on that side of our house, let's say, the sun doesn't go there. Our sun comes from behind over. So there's no sun. You're like, it's going to lose power. If it's there, what's the point? You buy the kind that doesn't actually have the solar power to it, which I think is good too. So this one's battery powered, yeah. And what happens is when it's ready to be charged up, you bring it inside because the mounting and unmounting is just easy, as you're going to see. You unmount it, you bring it inside, and you plug it in for 8 hours when you're sitting at home, or probably not overnight because you want to see what's going on at night, but you just plug it in. 8 hours later, you go throw it back on, and then you have 6 months of battery power. That's right, slap chop style, 6 months battery power. Like I'm hoping we can install one like in the corner back here, and then have it see the whole backyard. Just point, just all of that. So we can see what the kids are doing.
Yep.
If anyone's getting in, if the squirrels are eating my peaches, I can just check all of that out. Well, let's get to it. Transition. So we've come inside to install this relatively simple home base. So we choose a place for it to be. This is nice and neat right next to our other little Alexa thing here. All you have to do is plug in your provided Ethernet. Just boop, it's nice, it's flat, it's actually kind of nice, I like it a lot. And then you plug in your power. That's really it. In the back, all we have are 2 USBs, Ethernet, and power. You can see this light right here. It was red. It's blinking red, which means it's going through its initial setup. And then in that time, we go ahead and we download the Eufy app. Control everything here. You control every camera, every doorbell, every part of the system goes right through here. We'll go ahead and go through our setup. When this light turns blue, it means we're ready to go, and we'll just follow the instructions.
Welcome to Eufy Security. Follow the instructions in the Eufy Security app to set up the system.
So we create our account on the Eufy system. It takes you through a couple little tutorials on the system, and we're going to go ahead and add the device. There is the home base. Press the sync button so you hear the beep. It beeped.
Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
So I expect Alexa to talk in the backyard. Backyard. Next. Added successfully. Charging the battery. So right now it's charging. It works. It works. Millennial pause and go. So we installed the kit, the S330 kit, right? Is that what this is?
The 2 cameras and the home base.
Yeah, with the standard S330 kit, there's a couple different kits. They have the 4 camera kit with the home base, the 2 camera kit with the home base, there's all sorts of options. But we went with this one, which is kind of like the simple, easy, introductory one. And I gotta say, the install on it, easiest thing I've done today.
It was pretty easy.
Yeah, the hardest thing was actually finding the ladder, putting the ladder up, climbing it. My feet hurt, my legs hurt. But the actual install was really easy. It's just 2 simple screws. It can mount anywhere, onto brick, onto the eaves where we did one of them, onto the wood, anywhere. It has the drywall anchors for it, or you can go directly into wood.
And the picture is crystal clear.
Yeah, we looked at it from a couple different angles. Like right now with the sunlight, it's crystal clear. We looked at it. It already alerted us that there were people around, and I already put my face into it so that it knows who I am, and it didn't alert when I was around. Then we put your face in there, and then the alert started dropping down even further as it started recognizing your face, and now my phone wasn't blowing up because we were just fiddling and messing it and pointing it and looking at it.
So we will link all of our equipment down below in the description. You can find out everything that we've used here.
Check out the links down below. Comment if you've tried the system. What do you think about it? What system do you use now? What are some pain points? What are some things you like, don't like? Give us the like, subscribe, make the channel grow. Help me afford all this stuff, like I always say. At the end of the year, we'll do that review and see how much everything costs.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.